Why millennials are changing the way we buy homes in San Jose. New priorities, new paths, and a new vision of homeownership. Millennials, those born between 1981 and 1996, are reshaping what it means to buy a home in San Jose. Unlike previous generations, who often followed a traditional path of settling down early and buying a detached house in the suburbs, millennials are rewriting the rules, with different priorities, values, and financial realities. So what's behind this shift, and what does it mean for Silicon Valley's real estate market? Let's take a closer look. 1. Homeownership isn't a given anymore. For many millennials in San Jose, buying a home feels more like a luxury than a milestone. High student debt, skyrocketing home prices, and rising interest rates are forcing a major rethink of the traditional buy young and settle down playbook. As a result, many are renting longer or living with family. Some are moving to more affordable areas like South San Jose, Gilroy, or Morgan Hill. Others are co-buying with partners, friends, or family to get into the market. Owning a detached home in Willow Glen or Almaden might not be the dream anymore, and that's okay. 2. Lifestyle over lot size. Millennials aren't looking for the biggest house, they're looking for the best life. Walkability, access to parks, good transit options, and vibrant coffee, food, and culture scenes often rank higher than square footage. Popular picks in San Jose include Downtown San Jose for the energy, nightlife, and proximity to Google's planned Downtown West. Japantown for its walkability and charm. Rose Garden and Willow Glen for character homes and community feel. 3. Tech drives the process. Millennials are digital natives, and they expect a tech-forward real estate experience. They browse Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com daily. Watch YouTube tours and TikTok home walkthroughs. Sign documents digitally and communicate by text or DMs. Realtors and lenders who offer virtual showings, e-signatures, and fast digital communication win big with this crowd. 4. Sustainability matters. From energy bills to climate impact, millennials are buying with the planet in mind. Features like solar panels, EV chargers, smart thermostats, gray water systems, low water landscaping are not just perks, they're often must-haves. Green homes in places like Evergreen or energy-efficient townhomes popping up near North San Jose's tech corridor are especially attractive. 5. Creative financing and non-traditional paths. Affordability in Silicon Valley is no joke.